Hey guys, it's Amanda from Just Because, and today I am sharing 3 tips on how you can get super smooth buttercream. I usually use Swiss Meringue when I frost the outsides of my cakes, but these tips can really be applied to any type of buttercream. Okay, so tip number 1, go low and slow. It's always better to mix your buttercream at a lower speed for a longer time. This will help incorporate less air bubbles. Tip number 2, speaking of air bubbles, I always like to use my paddle attachment when whipping in my butter. If you're making Swiss meringue buttercream, after you're done whipping your meringue with your whisk, just switch it out for the paddle attachment once you add in your butter. Tip number 3, mix by hand. When you're done beating your buttercream, take it off your mixer and using either a wooden spoon or a spatula, mix by hand and knock out any remaining air bubbles. This last and final tip will help make your buttercream super smooth. So those are my 3 simple tips for making extra smooth and creamy buttercream. If you try these tips out, leave a comment and let me know. Also, if you want to get my recipe and guide for perfect Swiss meringue buttercream, click the link listed below. If you like this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and if you want weekly baking inspiration and advice from me, make sure to sign up for my email list.